Hi soap friends, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, I am trying to grow this channel. I would really appreciate if you like this video and subscribe. My name is Heather. I am a soap maker in Alberta, Canada. I have my Bachelor of Science from Queen's University and I am a Red Seal trained hairdresser. I am a self-taught soap maker, but I'd love to figure out what each ingredient does and why. Today we're going to talk about the difference between cold processed soap and a detergent-based soap or a synthetic detergent. Sidnet bar. I have such a hard time with that. We'll talk about the differences because there is a place for each of them. I'm not one of those soap makers that just says all artificial detergents are bad, because they're not. Some of them are harsher than others, and it's important to do your research and look at the MSDS sheets as always. But they're not all bad. So a synthetic detergent or a syndet is basically a soap molecule that's been created in a lab instead of through a saponification reaction. Each has their own properties and each is designed to do different things. So you'll have detergents that are meant to clean your clothes, and you'll have detergents that are meant for your skin and for your hair and for your face. And they're very, very different. Each has its own properties. So a lye-based soap is made by combining lye with oils or butters or any sort of fat. Back in the day, it used to be made by the extra ash in the fire and the grease from a frying pan. And if you add a little ash from the fire, it had the lye in it, and it combines with the oils and actually creates a little bit of suds. Because it's made with lye, the pH of the soap is actually very, very high. So lower on the pH scale will be acidic and higher on the pH scale will be alkaline. Lye-based soap falls a little bit higher on the pH scale. Pure distilled water is a 7, and our skin and our hair fall about a 4.5. With a lye-based soap, the soap that you get depends on the oils that you start with. So the soap will have different properties depending on the oils that you use in it. One of the big benefits of having a naturally processed soap is that you get all the byproducts as well. So glycerin is a byproduct of the saponification reaction, which is when the lye actually goes in and changes the oil into soap, which is so cool. I'll do a video on that later. One thing I learned a little while ago is that the more different surfactants that you have in a soap, the gentler it will be. So lye-based soap naturally has a ton of different surfactants just because it's from different oils that you mix together, and it's a chemical reaction which again is different every time that you do it. Lye-based soaps also don't have a lot of extra added chemicals and preservatives and fillers that some detergent-based soaps have, which a lot of people have sensitivities, allergies to. So cold processed soap, for all those reasons, is really, really gentle on the skin and great to use on your body. Our face and our hair are a little bit different than the rest of our body. They're much more sensitive, so we need to use a product that's a little bit closer to our own natural pH, which again is about a 4.5 to a 5. You won't get that with a lye-based soap. So that's when we will turn to a detergent-based soap. This is my shampoo bar. It has synthetic detergents in it. Each synthetic detergent has its own properties. So you can filter through them and choose the ones that are the most gentle and have the lowest pH. So all the surfactants in my shampoo bar have a pH that is closer to that of hair. If you've ever tried to use a lye-based soap on your hair, you've probably been pretty disappointed because alkalinity makes the hair cuticle stand up, which makes the hair really, really tangly and dry. And it also exposes the inside of your hair. So your hair cuticle is meant to protect your hair. So if it's open, it's not protecting what's inside. A lower pH will actually make your cuticle sit a lot flatter, make your hair a lot more manageable, make it shinier too, because think about light reflecting off surfaces. A smoother surface will reflect more light. This is a bar of my cold processed soap. Hi, baby. This is a bar of my cold processed soap. I know, baby. This is a bar of my cold processed soap. When I say cold processed soap, I should also say hot processed soap. So let's just say lye-based soap, but I'll use the two interchangeably. So cold processed soap is what I make, and a lye-based soap, it just is a kind of broader category. I'll never recommend a cold process or lye-based soap for your face or for your hair, and that's why I've come up with my shampoo bar and my vitamin C facial bar. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you found this helpful in any way, again, I would love it if you could subscribe and like this video. It really helps me grow my channel. Thank you so much.